How to make AI video with Gemini. Gemini is a very powerful AI tool and productive tool that you can actually use to create dozens of AI videos, but Gemini cannot go directly and generate that video for you. All you need to do is follow this method that I will show you guys in this video. If you have a video idea, you can simply go and drop it right here, or you can ask Gemini to create those ideas for you. Here, for example, I have this idea of a YouTube video, and that video will be at 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna go and generate a script for that video using Gemini. And once you have got your script, all you need to do now is copy the script, head over to Lemon Labs, and here select text to speech option. And for free, you can go and generate voiceovers for the script. Here I have typed this prompt right here, create visual assets according to script requirements. So it will create tons of images. And once we got these images, we will head over to Runaway AI tool, and here Runaway AI tool has a free trial that you can use. So here we will paste this those images, and this tool can actually convert those images into a short video. And by combining those videos, we can simply go and create an AI video within a less amount of time. And that's how you can go and do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.